Hey YouTube, I picked up these two PS2s because they were really cheap, but they were both untested. So I thought it was a good chance I probably was going to have to do something with them, but I really thought the top one might work. It looked clean and nice. So I tested it and it did play the silver back discs no problem, but really had issue, wouldn't really do anything with the blue back discs. So I'm going to have to pull that apart, maybe put a new laser in it. The bottom one I wasn't very confident about. It doesn't seem to do anything, but it's in very horrible condition. It's really dirty, it's missing its front. That wasn't a surprise to me, just by looking at it. So I'm going to take apart the bottom one first, I think, and have a look what's going on with that. Okay guys, I popped this open and look, like, I just took the power. So I mean, it's no real surprise that it also doesn't seem to me like, when I turn it back on, like the disc is actually spinning. It's like it's trying to spin. It just gives up. So the next thing I'm going to do is pop off this cover of the DVD tray and see what it looks like in there. Here we are inside. It's not too bad in here. Thought it might be worse. But I'm just going to pop the game back on. I took this little bit out of the lid just so I can test it. I mean, it's not good in here. So we may need a new motor. Maybe it's just dirty, I don't know. I'll go a little deeper. I mean, it's all really hairy and stuff in here. It is trying. I might go in a little bit deeper and see what happens. When cleaning the laser, it's worth remembering that this little black thing comes off, and I was just held in with tabs. So you just push it out. It's hard with one hand, and it lifts. You just see the little silver tab, and it just lifts around it. I can't really do it with one hand. Once it's off, you'll see you're able to move the laser up and down, and kind of underneath the laser there's actually a second lens. So to clean that, just flatten a Q-tip down as best you can, get your isopropyl alcohol and clean in there as well. Just when this one, it was so dusty, I'd say in there is dusty too. Okay guys, just a bit of an update on the first one. I cleaned in here. Now I didn't go crazy, I just cleaned the bits that needed to be cleaned, like the rails, the laser, things like that. And this one seems to have made great progress. I will go back over and clean it properly before I put it back together, re-grease the rails, the drive screw, things like that. I mean, you can see kind of what it was like in there. But hard to do with one hand. See now the motor spins up. So I mean, this one turned out to be a pretty easy fix. It was just absolutely filthy inside. It's a shame not every of them are like that. I thought I was going to end up changing a laser or something in this as well, but, or the drive motor for the DVD drive motor. But no, it looks great. Just needed a clean. So now I'll turn my attention. I'll clean this up, put it back together. Okay guys, give this console a clean. It's all working perfect. Just one more thing before we put it back together. Remember to put your white thing back inside, because if you don't, you're going to have to go through all the hassle of taking the console back apart. From what I can tell, the second console is definitely going to need a laser, so I think I'm going to make a separate video on that one about how to change the laser in a PS2. Thanks for watching.